Here are steps to create custom post by using these steps. 1. Sign up or log into tool44.com. 2. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the Marketing tab from the list of options in the left side menu. 3. Inside the Marketing tab, you will find an option called Post Creator. Click on it to proceed. 4. In the Post Creator, you will see a calendar that displays posts created by you and Tool44 posts created for your business. This calendar helps you manage and track your posts. 5. Below the calendar, you will find a list where you can create a new post. Click on Create a New Post to start creating your post. A form will open in a dialog box where you can fill in the necessary details for your post. Provide the required information such as the post content, images, and any other relevant details. After filling in the form, submit it to create your post. Once submitted, your post will be successfully created and updated for upcoming events. It will also be reflected in the calendar. In the list of upcoming events, you can click on the type of post to filter and display only posts of that type. To view a post, click on the file icon next to it. You can toggle between post images by clicking the left and right arrows. To download a post, click the Download button. A preview of your post, including your company and business details, will be displayed. You can download the post in JPG or PNG format. If you haven't added your company details yet, it's important to do so in order to download a post with your company and business details.